Alright, yo. Welcome back to Kaufman Trading. This is day 11. I think this is day 11. Backtesting every day. Oh, also, if you guys want to help me out, I know nobody watches these, but I'm going to leave a FX replay code in the description. It'll get you 15% off on your FX replay subscription. I don't think you can backtest futures without it. I think you can backtest Forex without the premium, but if you want to backtest futures, you do need the premium. So yeah, just click the link in the description for FX Replay. It'll get you 15% off, like I said. And hopefully mine will load. FX Replay isn't bad. My computer's just shit. So yeah. So yeah, next payout, I'm gonna get a new computer so I can make better content for you guys. Really gonna do this to me? You gonna dox me? You fucking kidding me, dude? Gang. Okay. God is good. Backtesting day 11. My crypto chat is fucking blowing up. Alright, so this is Tuesday the 3rd. Just want to make sure. Yeah, okay. Tuesday the 3rd, 10 a.m. news. And I think that's all we have. So if we manipulate before 10 a.m., most likely it will go with the narrative that's currently being played out. And it's 6:05. Let's just call it 6:05. We're going until 7:05. How many points is that? So we've already displaced 100 points. We do have bullish turtle soup on the 1 minute. I want to see what we took out here. So I'd imagine we're going to come down for this low. We're literally 10 points away from it on the 15 minute. So we'll probably manipulate that low. Yeah. And then I want to see what we're doing off of this. We also have SMT with that low too. So this actually looks like a really good entry. This is an order block here. And CE got tapped once again. So this looks really good. Yeah, I'm going to take this. $40 points. I'm just going to target this internal high for 65 points roughly. Going to go in with 1 mini. Yeah, we're gonna take this. Okay, yeah, so I should have waited for the true displacement because I want to see if this does get tapped though. No. All right, not a good. I should have closed that, but not a good start to the session. Pretty terrible start. You guys are gonna judge me for this, but this is gonna mess with my psyche. I know it's back testing, but I'm still gonna take the loss. Yeah, we're gonna take it there. Okay, so I guess we could have done this for 25 points. Longs there would have been good. But this was actually a PXL entry here. Yeah, so it is what it is. I'm not tripping about it, but let's go to the next day. This is Wednesday the 4th. Oh my gosh, bruh. Turned on D&D. Turn on D&D. These crypto bros are blowing my phone up. And then kind of the same protocol this Wednesday too. I just want to see if we get manipulation at macro open, which is like 945, 940. What did we do here? Okay. So we do have bearish SMT with this. Yeah, with that external. Oh, wait. I want to see if that gets respected. It looks like it's going to get respected, but I'm just going to mark those out either way. This looks pretty good. I do like this. Even if we were to push up that far, we need to come down and manipulate these lows to generate liquidity. So yeah, I'm going to take this right here. Bruh. Should have waited for the macro open. Or for that. That wasn't even true displacement. I'm just, that's retarded. Okay. I actually do need to wait for true displacement. True displacement. Which looks like this right here. That's what it looks like. .30 news as well as 10 a.m. news. Okay. So we came up for those highs there. Then I want to see what we're doing at those highs, whether or not we're manipulating them and displacing away, or... Okay. What time is it? 9:52. That's not true displacement. And we don't have SMT there either. I don't want my stop loss to be 60 points. So yeah, I'm just going to wait till 10 a.m. here. 4 more candles. Okay, there we go. Bro, price is really volatile, so my stop loss has to be 50 points roughly. Like, yeah, put it there. I'm just going to target like a 1-to-1 roughly. I want to make sure I'm recording this. Yeah, okay. Bruh. So I kind of missed the entry here. This was... That ran for 100 points, yeah. So that was the ideal entry, but... That just wasn't... I guess it was displacement, but it didn't look like it to me. Okay, no SMT there. And this is NFP Friday too, so we could see if 930 manipulates, and then if it does, we could take that entry. No 930 manip. So this looks like PXL. Yeah. Well, I forgot what news was. Oh, it's NFP Friday, yeah. I'm gonna take this here. I'm gonna target that external low. Stops are pretty tight here, but if we're truly bearish, there's no reason for us to come back in there because there's no unfilled gaps. Yeah, bang. So standard PXL. This was just kind of throwing me off because usually we'll have a nice clean displacement candle, but we were kind of just, you know, whatever that is called. No news. No news. So we haven't taken that high yet. Souped it on both assets too. And we just took out all those highs too, so higher time frame, you look pretty bullish, but we also have this huge gap here that could easily just get filled and then displaced away from. We just met CE of that range, so I guess we'll see what happens here. And it's 9:36, so it's still too early to take entry. This looks so bad, dude. Holy fuck. I kind of like this, actually. I do kind of like this. What's a 1-to-1? 1-to-1 would be like that right there. Yeah, I'm gonna take this. Pretty discretionary, but we're just wicking above. Bruv. This probably runs. I'm gonna take this actually. Yeah. That was way better of an entry than what I took. Like, look at that, bro. It's probably a 30-point candle. Yeah. Alright. I have noticed that when we're just wicking in the top of a range, it generally means a continuation. Because it's just if it's souping over and over and over again, you're probably going to continue higher, which I just completely ignored. No News Tuesday. No News Tuesday. It's a Tuesday. So this really looks like a continuation sequence. I want to see if we're displacing towards that high. If we get a rebalance and then more displacement off of it. I'm going to mark that out. And we have SMT with this low too. I want to wait for the actual displacement. There we go. There we go. That looks so beautiful. Internally manipulated here. Nice clean displacement. Now I can go ahead and target this high here. I'm really confident in this one. Oh, that didn't stop me out. Didn't stop me out. Nigga. We absolutely got edged. Well, my narrative was overall correct, but notice stop loss needs to go below the manip. Oh, I guess it did stop. Wait. Might have stopped me out to the tick. No? I don't think it did. No, but the narrative was good. The narrative was correct. I just targeted too much. Yeah, that's fine. That was a really good. I was really confident in that, but just got edged, man. But in reality, live market, you're gonna close if you're that close to your TP. At least I am. This was Wednesday, September 11th. What range are we in? I need to check range. Check range. Boom, 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 boom. We took that high on both assets. SMT? No. So we still haven't taken this external on that. So I'm trying to see what's happening. We might have to manipulate this low one more time. Oh, CPI. We could. I just want to wait for more of a rebalance if we get it. Because we're kind of at that draw. We still haven't taken that one. Oh, we do have bullish SMT now too. But there's no way we're going to respect that. We're honestly bearish. But this is just kind of terrible PA. Okay, so we just totally ran that low. Now it's 10:15, but obviously narrative was bearish today, but I just missed it, so I'm not gonna take anything. $9.29, $9.37. And we are just wicking inside this buy side, so I'd like to see a continuation. Or not. Bullish SMT that we just ran. It's only 950. I'm going to take this. Yes, my stop loss is 40 points. But I'd rather have a deep stop loss than get stopped out and price runs to my TP. Gang. Boom. So they're honestly, this was probably the optimal entry. What did we manipulate here, though? We didn't manipulate anything, and we had bullish SMT there. So now my entry was good. We just ran down, swept that low, and then just started displacing back up. So yeah, that was valid. Friday the 13th. Prelim at 10 a.m. So we're looking for the manipulation and then what we do off of it if we get it before 10 a.m. If not, then we wait for 10 a.m. But this looks like PXH with all these highs. Yeah. Oh, we just took out that external high though. I think that's external. Yeah. So it's too early to call it PXH. It's only, I guess it's 9:45 now too. But I want to see what happens off of this. Okay. I'm just gonna wait till 10 a.m. at this point. Oh my, that's never good. Yeah, when news comes out like this, it's really hard to catch something because price is just so terrible. Monday the 16th. $8:30 Empire State, whatever that means. But I know it's medium impact, so. $9.33. What are we manipulating here? It might just be dumping. Might just be dumping on a Tuesday, on a Monday. We do have SMT with that low there, but this looks pretty strong. So I'm gonna mark out this low, then see how we're reacting. See if we keep dumping or if we reverse and go back up. Okay. 9:45. I think what it was 10 a.m. medium impact, right? Yeah. No. 8:30 medium impact. Okay, this looks good. Looks like that SMT is gonna hold. I'm just gonna put my stops below this displacement candle. I think that's roughly a 1-to-1, almost a 1-to-2. Yeah. Oh, we got edged. Oh, that was pretty free. Just had to be patient, wait for the true displacement. Because this doesn't tell us anything, neither does this. I guess it tells us something, but... price could easily just barely go above CE and then just dump. Oh, what was this new week? Look at this new week right here. So that needs to get filled at some point. Definitely could not get filled today or even tomorrow or the next day, but at some point it needs to get filled. So we're just going to trade like normally, and then if we start displacing lower, then we could potentially target that new week opening gap. 929. Okay. Manipulated that high there on both assets. Manipulated that low again on both assets. I would take this. It's a little early. I really like this. If this is a 1-to-1, then it's beautiful. Beautiful. I really like it. I'm gonna take this. Okay, we got stopped there. Oh, I didn't even check news for this day. We only had 8:30. That should have hit, but is what it is. I guess we did manipulate that low twice, so that makes it lower probable. So yeah, shorts here were good, I guess. It's not like should have played out, but obviously it didn't. What were we doing on the higher time frame? I think we were bullish. Yeah, but whatever. I ain't tripping. Wednesday the 18th. Whole bunch of FOMC. I'm still gonna trade it. So at this point, we have SMT with this low. This looks pretty good here. Now I need to wait for a rebalance. Okay. This looks pretty bad, honestly. I guess it is a FOMC. I'm just gonna take this, I guess. Stops need to go below the manipulation, even though it's 40 fucking points. But, yeah, I don't really care. Obviously, I'm not trading FOMC live market. Yeah, that's why. That's why right there. Oh, I got stopped out. I didn't even realize. Yeah, this is why you're not trading FOMC. Look at that, bro. That's so bad. Terrible. Absolutely terrible. And my mic is frozen. Wonderful. Or not my mic, my camera. Wonderful. Fucking hell. Flipping out, bruv. What is this? Thursday the 19th. 10 a.m. medium impact and 8:30 high and medium impact. Why does my camera keep fucking freezing, dude? Pissing me off. Is that SMT? No, I think we swept it on ES. Okay, missed optimal entry. This was a really good entry right here. It's beautiful. Just imagine I took that. Yeah, that was textbook. Beautiful. SMT with the low, internal manip, order block, boom. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. Friday the 20th. No news Friday. Shit. We keep manipulating this high, and we also have bullish SMT, so I'm leaning towards a continuation to the upside. Which was kind of confirmed by this candle here. I could just take, I think I could target above it. Target 30 points. I think we're going to manipulate it again, but continue off of it. Nope. Yeah, no news Friday, bruv. I guess shorts here were okay, but like you have bullish SMT, you got manipulating multiple times. It's just like, it's just not good. Just not good, man. $9:45 PMI for this Monday. Should bring us some nice volatility. We have bullish SMT here, which got absolutely ran through like a college girl. Bruv. Okay, so that was news. I'm just gonna take this. This looks pretty good. Hopefully I can get 1-to-1 out of it. Bang. Gang. 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 That was absolutely terrible, PA. I mean, I guess longs here were okay. Like, you can't even tell that, like, how are you gonna know that's gonna happen, bro? We have a candle just like it right there, right there. Yeah, just overall shit price action. But also, yeah, bro, that's not something I'm gonna trade. Like, if it opens up and it's looking like that, you gotta be kidding me. I'm saving my capital, nigga. This looks pretty good. I really like this, honestly. I think I could target this. Actually, there's not really a lot of confirmation there. Yeah, would have been stopped. Tuesday the 24th. $10 a.m. news. It's already 9:50, but now we've manipulated twice and we've ran that bullish SMT. So probably leaning towards sells for 10 a.m. Yeah. But we absolutely ran that low. I want to see if we took it on ES2. Yep. So now we just want to see what we're doing off of it. Okay. Just no manipulation here. I think we're going to form PXL. Yeah. I could just target the low there. Roughly a 1-to-1. Yeah, boom. Pretty late, but 10 a.m. provided the setup, so what else can I do about it, man? I want to see if I can fix this. Bro, like, what does that happen, bro? My computer's so shit. Pisses me off, dude. I need more money. Need more money, more everything, bruv. More nicotine in my system. Okay, so we swept that high. I want to see how we react. Okay. What would this be? What, like a 1-to-1? Yeah, I'll take this. Some nice civvy disrespect there. Nigga. Nigga. That's unfortunate. I want to see if we made SMT. Yep, okay. GG's. So we just made SMT with ES at my TP, so pretty self-explanatory. Just got stopped out. And we just took out that low as well as that low. So I just want to see what we're going to do off this. Okay, that's PXL right there. What is this, Thursday the 26th? Then we have 10 a.m. news as well. I'm just going to sell here. Target a 1-to-1. Gang. Barely, bro. Okay, that was laughable right there. But yeah, hit TP, so I'm not mad. I don't care. I really like this, but it's only 934, so I'm not gonna trade it. We have 10 a.m. medium impact as well, so. Yeah, that's why you don't trade at 934, bro, because that's like an A+ setup. Closed above CE, and then we just absolutely ran it. And we have SMT with that low too. So depending how the next candle opens, that manipulation is getting respected too. So I kind of like it. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for 10 a.m. But notice how that didn't get stopped. I'm gonna take this here. Gonna target all the way up here. Was that like a 1-to-2 roughly? Yeah. That's exactly a 1-to-2. Gang. That's 30 points. Okay, what is this, Monday the 30th? Pal speaking. I'll trade it. I'm just gonna full port Pal speaking. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna full port 5 minis. 5 minis. I'm gonna full port. You gotta get the itch out somehow, right? We have bearish SMT there. Internal manipulation, displacement. Okay, manipulate it again. Manipulate it again. That's 3 times we manipulated, but this candle is gonna do me right. I already know. I'm gonna target CE of that buy side imbalance. What would this be? 5 minis at 40 points is $4 grand, bruv. That's why I'm the GOAT. Guess that full draw would have got taken, but it's all good. All right. That was the last day. I have 15 more minutes of this. gonna see if I can, bruv, lock in. Yeah, I don't really have enough time to do a whole other month. So I'm just gonna call it at that. But what was the win rate? Probably -5%. 42%, really? I honestly feel like it was worse than that, but yeah. W session. I really don't care what my win rate is because my win rate's better live market, but yeah, is what it is. W session. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you on the next one.